Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we made it to day number 184 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. All right, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right, so go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are now. All right, so we made it to day number 184. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service, okay, that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have with My Legion Secret. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you could literally sign up, okay, for an account. And then once you have a sign up, then you'll have a back office and you're going to have an affiliate link, which is going to be right here. So what you would do is you would log out of the account that you created and you're going to sign up underneath your own affiliate link. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to stack your accounts on top of each other by signing up under your own link. Okay. You don't go out and sign up with someone else. You sign up underneath your own link after your first account. Okay. Your first account, you want to sign up with somebody. So I did leave a link below this video so you can guys at least start your first accounts. And then you can start stacking your accounts underneath your own profile. Okay. Or your own affiliate link. Okay. So that's how you would do that with multiple accounts. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I can tell you guys that this program does work. These leads do convert. Okay. The only thing about these leads, guys, that these are cold. This is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have no idea who you are. Okay. They have no idea what you're promoting. And they do have to get warmed up to the idea of what you are promoting. Okay. So you literally have to come in every single day and you have to send out emails until you get people's attention. And then once you grab their attention, they'll start to trust you and they'll subscribe with you, and they'll follow you and they'll purchase from you. Okay. So, like I said, I've been with them over a few years now. I have about 8 different accounts that I use. Okay. That I send out my emails every single day. Okay. I like sending out my emails around the same time every day. Anytime between the hours of 9 to midnight, I like sending out my emails. It just works best for me and my schedule. I used to send them out early in the morning when I wake up, like about 6 or 7. I like to get up early and send out those emails, and then I'll go back to sleep or whatever. But now I like sending them at night because it's just, I do a lot of stuff throughout the day, a lot of other income activities that I do online. So I like taking 5 to 10 minutes out at night, and when I'm wrapping up everything, and just to do this method. Okay. So it doesn't take me a long time at all, 5 to 10 minutes to send out these emails, and then I get paid for it. Okay. Super easy to do. All right. So that's just my, history with My Legion Secret. My Legion Secret has been around for a while, guys. If you guys were to get started today, I did leave a link below this video, but this is what your back office would look like. Okay. It's going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus the emails that I send out. Okay. There's going to be 2 popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one, you can literally come in and just promote My Legion Secret as itself, as the program. Okay. You can come in and send out an email in the mailing system right here. Create an email, attach your affiliate link in the email. That way you get credit for when someone purchases the program. Also, they have some free email swipes that you can use. Just click on affiliates, go over to promo tools. They have about 10 different emails that you guys can use, that you can, get a fast start to it. Okay. About 10 or maybe 10 different emails, or 9. I'll say, yeah, 9. Okay. Or 10. Okay. So you can literally, go here, pick out one of these emails, preferably starting at number 1 and just work your way down to 10. Click on the import. What it's going to do is going to import it into the mailing system. Click on all the emails that you want to send out to. Okay, so you click on those emails and you already have your subject line right here. It's already populated. Okay, 3 ways you can actually get money in the next 24 hours, right? Super easy. And then it also has a body of text here. So this is your email that goes out already. All you have to do is click on perfect timing. What that's going to do is going to make sure that your email goes out at the right time for people that are looking at their email. Okay. And then it also has our affiliate link that's already in the email. Okay. So all we have to do is come down here and click on send. Okay. Now you're not going to be able to see that right now because I've already sent out my emails for today. And the cool thing about Mileage and Secret, why I love them so much, is that I can come in every single day and I can get in front of thousands of people every single day. Okay. So I can promote whatever business opportunity that I want to promote to this traffic to test it to see if people respond to certain programs. Okay. So I've already sent out my emails tonight. Okay. Like I said, I send out my emails before I shoot these videos. But you will see a send now or preview button. So you would just click the send now and send out this email if you want to just promote the My Lead Gen Secret system, okay, itself. So that's one popular way to make money. The other popular way is by using an affiliate network, okay, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can go and you can promote those offers and you can make money from those offers, okay? Now, for this video challenge, we are using ClickBank, and the reason why is because the offers on ClickBank, the leads respond very well to ClickBank offers, okay? So that's why I'm using ClickBank because I've been with ClickBank over a century and I've been promoting their offers and I know this stuff just works, guys, okay, with this traffic, okay? So take my word for it. I've been doing this. The ClickBank is probably going to be your way to go, but also Warrior Plus is a really good one as well. I made money with Warrior Plus promoting this program, okay? I mean, promoting the My Legion Secret or using the My Legion Secret. So those are going to be the 2 ways that you're going to make money with this system, and you can go either way you want to go. Okay. This challenge, we are using the affiliate network, so we're using ClickBank to make money, but we're using My Lead Gen Secret as a traffic source. Okay, to use to get the money. Okay, get the subscribers and get the sales. Okay, so there's going to be 3 different ways that you can send out an email. Okay. You can literally create your own email. Okay. By coming up with something really good based on the offer that you're promoting. And then you can get your affiliate link and then insert that into your email, send that out. All right. That's one way. Number 2 is using a email AI service or chat GPT or something like that. Where you can pretty much go and have it create you an email based on the offer that you're promoting. So that's going to be way number 2, okay, to send out an email. The third way to send out an email is just by using the free email swipes that come with the offer, okay, that come with the vendor of the offer that you're promoting, okay. So on ClickBank, they have about 4 different offers in the e-business, e-marketing section in the marketplace that you guys can use. Any one of those offers are going to work with this, with My Legion Secret. I've already tested it out, so just know that any one of those 4 offers, guys, will work with this method. All right. So pick one of those offers. Okay. Now, if you go into the affiliate section of those offers, they're going to have free pre-written email swipes that you can use. Okay. So you take those email swipes. There's going to be about 20 of them. Okay. You're going to start with number 1 all the way down to 20. And you're just going to keep going them over and over and over and over and over again. Okay. You're going to use those same emails over and over again. Okay. So that's what I would recommend you guys starting with first is just use the free email swipes that come with the offer because those emails are known to convert. Okay. They are known to bring in sales. Okay. I use them. I still use them till this day. And I would recommend using that. Now, after a couple months, a few months, you can start repurposing those emails by using AI and getting into advanced more, recreating the same email that's already working, but just repurposing that email, okay, by using AI. So those are going to be the ways to make money with My Legion Secret and also ways to send out emails in the system. Okay. Now, if you guys go back and watch those previous videos in the beginning, I actually go, those videos are a little bit longer because I actually go in more detail on how to send out an email, how to go to ClickBank, grab the offer, and then send out the email, one by one. Okay. So I kind of walk you guys through this step by step. So that's why I recommend going back and watching those previous videos. If you're a little bit more advanced, you'll know what I'm talking about by going to ClickBank, going in the e-business, e-marketing section in the marketplace and grabbing one of those four offers, and then you can copy and paste over to the system, and then you can start getting traffic to your link. Okay, so that's kind of where we are with that. Okay, so those are going to be the ways of how you send out an email in the mailing system. Let me show you what one of those emails will look like from the vendor. They're going to look something like this. Okay, they're going to give you a subject line. Okay, you would just copy and paste the subject line. You got your body of text right here, which it shows you, it tells you what you can just copy and paste over. You don't have to reword it or anything. It's already ready for you. And then you'll make a clickable link right here, which is when our prospects hit this link to apply, it's going to take them to your affiliate page. And your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do anything, guys. So all you have to do, us as affiliate marketers, all we got to do is get our prospects to our affiliate link, and our affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So that's that in a nutshell. All right. So I sent out my emails last night, guys. I'm going to take you over here to clickbank.com. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate network where you can go and you can promote other people's offers that they have made, other people's programs. Okay. And you can earn a commission for promoting their program. Okay. So you don't have to worry about creating a program. You don't have to worry about creating a website or a landing page or anything like that. They already have the landing pages already for you guys. Okay. So all you got to do is copy and paste and send over to this traffic and start making money as soon as you can. Okay. It's depending on how many accounts that you have and how many emails that you're sending out. Okay. If you're doing this every single day. Okay. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So let's go ahead and this is my back office on one of my ClickBank accounts. I do have multiple ClickBank accounts. Okay. This specific ClickBank account I made just for you guys, just for this challenge. Okay. I created a brand new ClickBank account just to show you guys the power of My Legion Secret and that the fact that it does work. Okay. The other ClickBank accounts that I have, I do paid advertising. I do YouTube videos and things like that. So, um, you know, that's what this is what one of my back offices look like with the My Legion secret traffic. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Today is October the 28th. As you come down here, it's October the 28th. All right. So that way, this is not some fake screenshot or anything like that. All the stuff that I'm doing, guys, is real time. I don't script these videos. I don't, cut and paste. I just shoot these videos just off the top of my head. Okay, I just don't care if it's perfect or not. I just really want to get the idea out to you on how to do it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about somebody doing some fake stuff. This ain't no get rich quick scheme. I'm not promising you guys anything. You're going to make a bunch of money or anything. So I'm just showing you guys that making money is possible with this method, guys, and I'm showing you how to do it because I'm doing it. Okay, so let's see here. Just a second here. All right. So today is the 28th. Let's come down here. What I like doing is the last 30 days of the results. Okay. So this is the last 30 days that we have been getting. Okay. Things have been pretty consistent. Okay. With this, we're in month number 6, so we're halfway through this thing. Okay. So as you can see, these are kind of some of the results, what they look like. We've been getting sales back to back. We got 1 week where we had four sales in a row. Every day we got a sale for 4 days. We missed a couple of days right here, but then right here, we're getting them back to back. We're missing a day, getting them back to back, missing a day, getting them back to back, and then missing 2 days. And then we get them back to back right here. Okay. We missed 2 days, but we came back and got a sale. We missed the sale right here, but we got 2 sales back to back. Okay. And we also got a sale today, okay, which is really good. Okay. Now, I think we did get a free trial up in here somewhere, so I think we'll probably get another sale tomorrow. But tune in tomorrow to see if we'll have a third day in a row where we got a sale. So just follow follow up tomorrow with these videos so you can kind of see if we get that sale tomorrow. But as you guys can see here, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single week. Okay, so every single week, I can come in here and I can know I got a paycheck, direct deposit, either check or direct deposit, whichever one you want to get paid. I got direct deposit. Okay, so that way it goes straight to my bank account and then I get paid. Right. So, and that's just a cool thing about ClickBank. So I got this income coming in every single week. Okay. Now, if you're someone out there looking for, an extra income, something that maybe help pay your bills, maybe a light bill, gas bill, you want to put extra groceries on the table, help with your car payment, help with your mortgage or rent or something like that, starting out between months 3 to 6. I mean, could an extra $400 or $500 help you every single month? Okay. Just starting out. Okay. Now, as you keep growing this business, you're going to see this income is going to go up. But, could an extra $1,500 to $2,000 help your home out? Could that help you pay some bills? Right. This is the realistic type of income that you can make with this system now. Now there are people out there that are making up to $5,000 with this method, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the power of this method and my Legion secret, and that this stuff does work, and I recommend you guys getting started. Okay, so these are the results, guys. I'm making money with this. This is real time. It's pretty consistent. If you guys go below this video, there's going to be a link down here. So you just want to click on more. Click on this MLGS True Freedom. Click on that, guys. It's going to take you to the landing page. And this is where you guys will get started. Come down here, look at some of the testimonials from people getting paid with My Legion Secret. I'm not the only one making money with this program. So there's other people doing it. Okay. I'm not the only one. Also, you can go to other, channels on YouTube to see the same method, guys. There are a few other people out there making money with this system. Okay. So I'm not the only one. Okay. So you guys literally can come in, copy exactly what I'm doing, because that's exactly what I did. I just copied somebody else and now I'm making money. Okay. So you can pretty much copy my strategy and go use that to make money. Like super easy to do. All right. So go ahead and click on MLGS now. Click on my link, and it'll take you over to get started. Okay, to create your first account. Okay, after you create your first account, then you're going to sign up underneath yourself. Okay, so pay your one-time $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. You're going to get thousands and thousands of people every single month as long as you stay with the system. I would recommend at least starting out with a minimum of 3 accounts. If you're not able to do that, no biggie. At least get started by getting one account at least. But you want to at least work your way up to 3 as soon as you can, as soon as possible. Okay, and then 5 is going to be the sweet spots. 5 is going to be basically where you're going to make money, start making money pretty quickly. Okay. So, but that's what I wanted to show you guys. I don't want to go too long on this video. I just want to show you guys how to do stuff, how to send out an email in the mailing system, ways to make money with the mailing system. Also show you the results from the last 30 days on what we've been doing. So I sent out my emails tonight. Come back here with me tomorrow and we'll go over the results on how we did tonight. So I'll come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.